Hi, Dean Jenkins with FollowMeTrades.com, and this is the market update for the week coming up of April 24th, 2017. I'm showing a little bit different chart than usual right now. I'm showing the futures chart for the S&P 500, and it's on a 10-minute scale. So we can see there's a huge gap from Friday's close up to the open for the week, the overnight open. The S&P 500 futures are up 24.5 points, just over 1%. And if we look here, I'll show you that gold is down sharply. So gold had a gap down and it's still dropping. Gold is down over 20 points, 1.6%. That's a pretty volatile open for the overnight session. Usually it's pretty quiet. Oil is up just a little bit here at about 0.5%. So this isn't the normal update I do, but I wanted to point out this market volatility. And what we're going to do is stand back and let it settle into a little bit clearer trend. It can be kind of dangerous to chase dramatic moves. If there's going to be a real trend direction change and a trend established, we'll have time. It'll prove itself with some higher highs, some higher lows. But trying to chase a dramatic move, that can be really costly. You can get whiplashed where you get taken out of positions very quickly. The market may get really, really volatile. So it's best to let it settle into a clear trend before trying to just chase it and take a string of losers. That's no fun. There's no reason for that. The reason for the market volatility, I call it a dramatique, open to the market. And that's the French word for dramatic. My pronunciation is probably horrible for anybody French speakers. But anyway, I use that because the primary driver of this volatility appears to be the results so far from the French presidential election. And it's really interesting that just a few hours ago, some articles were written saying, hey, if Marine Le Pen makes it into the final round of the presidential election, it's gonna, the markets are gonna crash and the sky's gonna fall and all this kind of stuff. Politics aside, I'm not going to comment on that. That's not the point of this forum, this update. It's really what's the market doing. And in pointing out those articles, I call it noise, right? They may be well informed, they may be super smart people, but that's all speculation before something happens. Speculation about how the market's going to react to news. We trade based on how the market does react to news, the reality of it. And so the reality is there's some volatility. The S&P 500 is up pretty sharply, gold's down pretty sharply, oil's up a little bit. We're going to let it settle before we're going to pull the trigger and just try and chase anything. So that's a quick update, but I think it's an important update. And if anything settles and gets clearer during the week, I'll send a special midweek update. So that's it for now. Quick update, and thanks. We'll catch you later.